Genesis,
Genesis,
Exodus,
Exodus,
Leviticus,
Leviticus,
Numbers,
Numbers,
Deuteronomy,
Deuteronomy,
Joshua,
Joshua,
Judges,
Judges,
Ruth,
Ruth,
1st and 2nd Samuel,
First and Second Samuel,
1st and 2nd Kings,
First and Second,
1st and 2nd Chronicles,
First and Second Chronicles,
Ezra,
Ezra,
Nehemiah,
Nehemiah,
Esther,
Esther,
Job,
Job,
Psalms,
Psalms,
Proverbs,
Psalms.
Ecclesiastes.
Okay.
Can you say Ecclesiastes?
Ecclesiastes.
Song of Solomon. Isaiah,
Isaiah,
Jeremiah,
Jeremiah,
Lamentations,
Lamentations,
Ezekiel,
Ezekiel,
Daniel,
Daniel,
Hosea,
Hosea,
Joel,
Joel,
Amos,
Amos,
Obadiah,
Obadiah,
Jonah,
Jonah,
Micah,
Micah,
Nahum,
Naaman,
Habakkuk,
Micah,
Zephaniah,
Zephaniah,
Haggai,
Haggai,
Zechariah,
Zechariah,
Malachi.
Malachi,
Now on to the New Testament. Matthew,
Matthew,
Mark,
Mark,
Luke,
Luke,
John,
John,
Acts,
Acts,
Romans,
Romans,
1st and 2nd Corinthians,
First and Second Corinthians,
Galatians,
Galatians,
Ephesians,
Ephesians,
Philippians,
Philippians,
Colossians,
Colossians,
1st and 2nd Thessalonians,
First and Second,
1st and 2nd Timothy,
First and Second Timothy,
Titus,
Titus,
Philemon,
Philemon,
Hebrews,
Hebrews,
James,
James,
1st and 2nd Peter,
First and Second Peter,
1st and 2nd 3rd John,
First and Second John,
and 3rd John,
and Third John,
Jude,
Jude,
and Revelation.
Revelation.
Very good.